Hi, welcome back to Learn with Koku. Today, Koku is doing a fun science experiment. Let's open his magical book and see what he discovers. Koku wanted to see what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda. He set up his experiment carefully on a table at home. This is going to be amazing, he said excitedly. Koku got his vinegar, baking soda, and a small container ready. He was so curious to see what would happen. He scooped up the baking soda with a spoon, his eyes wide with wonder. With all his materials neatly arranged on the table, he was ready to begin his scientific adventure. Koku grabbed the vinegar and started to pour. But he poured it a little too quickly. Whoosh! The mixture bubbled right up and over the side of the container, spilling onto the table. Oops! That didn't go as planned. Koku laughed. He wasn't upset at all. Instead, he found it pretty funny. He realized that sometimes experiments don't work perfectly on the first try, and that's okay. The surprise fizz was part of the fun. So, Koku cleaned up the small spill and decided to try again. He knew he could do it. This time, he poured the vinegar very slowly and carefully. He watched as the fizzy reaction grew perfectly inside the container, just like a mini volcano. It was working. He was so happy that he clapped his hands in excitement. Watching the bubbles dance was the best part. He smiled proudly, looking at his successful experiment. Koku realized that making mistakes is a really important part of learning. It's how we figure out how to do things better. He grabbed his notebook and a pencil to write down what he learned. He drew pictures of his experiment, showing what happened the first time and the second time. Next time I'll try something even cooler, he said with a big smile. He felt so proud of what he had accomplished and learned today. Koku learned that experiments are super fun, especially when you try your best, learn from your mistakes, and then try again. The most important thing is to have fun while you're discovering new things. It's not about being perfect. It's about learning something new. What kind of experiment will you try today? Share your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Koku for more amazing adventures. We can't wait to see you next time. Bye.